buy Phuchka from the market like this. Now hot oil, give 4 to 5 pieces of Phuchka and fry it in this way. Now Phuchka is ready for eating. Now make a paste of green chili and coriander. Now take well boiled potatoes after peeling. Add soaked gram raw. Raw peas, boiled peas, boiled gram, coriander and green chili chutney, roughly chopped onion, roughly chopped coriander, chili flakes, cardamom, roughly grind, cinnamon, cloves, dry chili, cumin seed and coriander seed and fennel seed roughly chopped, roughly grind. Add salt according to your taste. Lemon juice. Tamarind water. Roughly chopped green chili. Add water where grind your green chili and coriander. Now mix your hand in this way. Now Phuchka potato paste is ready. Now ready tamarind water. Tamarind pulp. Take plenty of water according to your choice. Now add coriander and green chili paste water where you grind your all the spices. Now roughly grind dry chili, cardamom, cinnamon, clove and cumin seed, coriander seed powder, coriander powder, salt according to your taste, lemon juice, lemon for the flavor, add coriander roughly chopped, add coriander and green chili paste, mix it nicely. Now tamarind water ready for Phuchka. Now serve your Phuchka for your guest. This is called Phuchka or panipuri. In Bengali we say Phuchka. In Hindi this dish is called panipuri. This is mouth-watery dish and lovely dish. Everyone like it. This is homemade Phuchka. Easy and quick recipe. You can enjoy at home. More tasty than market. Thank you.